Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to master the art of conducting virtual hackathons using UPBASE, the ultimate guide for 2025. First and foremost, let's log into our UPBASE account. If you don't have an account yet, it's time to create one. This step is crucial as it's the gateway to the world of virtual hackathons. UPBASE is a great platform that provides all the necessary tools and infrastructure for a successful event. Once we're in, the second step is to create a new hackathon event. You'll find the New Event button on your dashboard. Just click on it, name your hackathon, and provide a brief description. This helps us because it sets the groundwork, giving participants an idea of what the event is about and sparking their interest. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up the hackathon's schedule. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and to ensure a smooth flow of the event. Just click on the Schedule tab, pick your dates and times, and don't forget to set the time zone. This is especially important for virtual hackathons, as participants may be joining from different parts of the world. Next up, let's add our challenges. In the Challenges tab, you can describe the problems you want participants to solve. This is the heart of the hackathon, as it defines the main activity of the event. So, make sure your challenges are innovative, engaging, and have clear guidelines. The next step is to invite participants. Go to the Invite tab. Here, you can send out invitations via email or share the link to your event on social media. This step is important because, well, what's a hackathon without hackers? Now, once the hackathon is underway, you can use the Monitor feature to track the progress of your participants, review submissions, and provide feedback. This is a crucial aspect of conducting a virtual hackathon, as it allows for real-time interaction and engagement. And there you have it. You've just set up a virtual hackathon using UPBASE. Remember, the key is to make the event engaging and fun for the participants, while also providing them with a platform to showcase their skills and creativity. That's all for now, folks. Remember, conducting virtual hackathons is a breeze with UPBASE. Happy hacking!